this is Janet with Try It Like It, Create It, and I am unboxing the November Simply Earth Essential Oil box. And this month's theme is gift giving. The box itself, if you were to purchase it all separately, would retail for $304.50, and you are going to get it with a subscription price of $44.99. Included in that $44.99, you are also going to get the big box, which includes additional oils for you to use in recipe making, and that is a value of another 40 some odd dollars, I believe. So to keep in mind that you want to use my code TRYITFREE, and if you do so, then after you purchase your first subscription box, then you are going to get an email with a gift card for $45. You can then use that gift card to purchase any additional items from Simply Earth. In a sense, you're getting buy one, get one free, because you can use that $45 gift card to purchase your next month's box. You can also unsubscribe at any time. So let's take a look at what's in the November box, which is gift giving. You're going to get Lang Lang, you're going to get frankincense, you're going to get focus, and you're going to get cassia. My favorite oil out of the four is got to be frankincense. It is a rather costly oil, and probably why we're seeing such a high value on this box itself. But let me tell you a little bit about frankincense. Its properties work as an astringent, reduces wrinkles, reduces discoloration in your skin. It stimulates new cell growth. It's an expectorant. It enhances your mood. It reduces stress. It improves your concentration. It's also an anti-inflammatory. It's a disinfectant, and it tightens your pores. It's kind of a magic oil, if you will, and that's why it's one of my favorites. Let's take a look what else is included in the box. So we have got this tube. We'll see what this is for in just a minute when we look at the recipes. We have these reeds. We have this top. We have this beautiful little glass bottle. We have a macrame mini kit, and it includes 3.5 meters of 3mm rope, 2 wooden beads, 1 ring bead, and 1 wooden rod. And you can see that that's all here in a natural color. Then we also get our sticker sheet. This comes every month and changes with each box. In that, first off, to point out here, it gives you the round circle labels that go on the tops of your bottles so that when they're standing up, you know exactly what that bottle of oil is. So if I were to take the focus here, turn it, you can see that you're not going to be able to tell this bottle from any other bottle. But if you take your round sticker and place it in the groove at the top of the box, or the top of the bottle, sorry, you can now identify that oil, whether it's laying down or standing up. And of course, once you crack the bottle open, or crack the seal on the lid, definitely want to leave it standing up so the oil doesn't leach out of the bottle in case you don't close it well enough. So we have those, but you'll see that there are additionals here like Cheerful Giver and Holiday Spice, because those are oil mixtures that you're going to get recipes for. And then you have other stickers here that can go on the different things that you make. So let's take a look at what comes in the recipe cards. And I don't know that I have them all facing the same direction here. Let's just do that. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got recipe-wise. We've got the Cheerful Giver Roll-On. Now the roll-on bottle is going to be in your big box of additional materials, and you get that box every 6 months that you subscribe. So you will use up the materials that are in that box, but then it will get replaced for you. So you're going to use the roll-on bottle from the big box. We've got Winter Flower bath salts, and that looks like to me that it's going to go into the test tube bottle, and it says so right here, test tube container. Then we've got Holiday Spice Diffuser Blend. And this is going to go into your diffuser, and that's what the reeds are for. Okay. You'll also use a 5 ml bottle that comes in your kit, and I believe that then this cap goes on that bottle to be to use with the reeds. This is a essential oil bottle reed diffuser. So here's a diffuser blend that's going to go in a bottle that you could use. Sorry, I was mistaken. You can use this one, the Holiday Spice, in your diffusers. And this one, essential oil bottle reed diffuser, is going to go be used with your diffuser reeds. Of course, you could do, either way, whichever works for you. So that's the recipe for that. Then we've got the mini macrame plant hanger, and it says here it's going to take us about 10 minutes to put it together. It's going to hold a small plant or jar that's about 2 inches in height and diameter. Baby food jar would work great, something in that size range. And then you can also add some essential oil to it to make it smell good. And then lastly, we have the Royalty Facial Serum. And as I said, frankincense is a great oil for your skin. And so, of course, this recipe here with the facial serum is going to include your frankincense oil. Now, if we take a look at the backs of the cards, you're going to see that here, each month they give a 13% of their profits to an organization that helps end human trafficking. And each month it might change. This month they're supporting Exodus Cry, organization that not only focuses on supporting survivors, but fighting commercial forms of sexual exploitation as well. So 13% of your purchase is going to good use. Now, it talks about the November recipe box, and this is one of my favorite cards because it gives you a quick upfront of what's included in the box and the safety that comes along with each of the bottles. So if we look at frankincense, which I said is used to stimulate and support respiration, we can see here that you want to dilute it before using it on your skin, which of course the recipes include how to do that. It is kid safe for 2 and above. It's pregnancy safe, it's cat safe, and it's dog safe. A really nice, well-rounded oil for use. And so each kit comes with this, I'm going to call it the safety card, in that it gives you a quick upfront for each of your oils. Then it also gives you a sneak peek into what's in the next month's box. Now, we don't know the theme. We don't know what the recipes will be. But we know that it is going to include oils that are named Bumps and Boo Boos, Balsam Fir, Lime, and Geranium. Sounds like there's going to be something for healing in here. And then it also gives you a list of other things that you might want to use from around your house in the making of those recipes. You're going to get a note from Katie. In this case, it's going to show, the back of this card shows more about the macrame and how to, not only what you need on this side, but then the instructions on the making of it here. And then also that you can get $50 off or a $50 voucher code for your friends to share with your friends. So if you subscribe and your friend subscribes, you are going to get $10 off their first 5 months. So go ahead and claim your 50% off a box for every friend that you subscribe underneath you, and it gives you instructions on how to do that. So the first thing to do would be to subscribe to your box. Get your gift card, use it, use your box, experience the oils, try the recipes, and then purchase the next month's box and see how that works for you. After that, then decide whether you're going to continue on with your subscription, which I know you're going to love. I love mine and I look forward to it each month, and I say that I am excited that each month I get the box, and I am. I'm excited to see what's included. I get to see what we can make with it, and then also use it with my family. Don't forget to use the code Try It Free. Type it in as all one word. That's my affiliate code, but you are also going to then get your $45 gift card. so that you can purchase more items from Simply Earth. If you don't use my gift card, you'll get your box. You'll get the big box of supporting oils and materials. However, you will not get the additional $45, and you don't want to throw money away. So make sure you use that code, Try It Free, to get your $45. Once again, this is a gift giving box from November, and it includes Ylang Ylang, frankincense, what did we say this one was? I just turned the bottle, can't see it. Focus, and cassia oils.